Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and for those that are returning, a big thank you to you. Now let's get right into it. In today's video, I will be talking about the benefits of fenugreek seeds. I'm not really sure how familiar you guys are with this seed, but this is one of the secret ingredients used by the Indians to grow their hair. There are a lot of benefits that come with this seed, so feel free to do your research. I just went ahead and listed a couple of them that were really important to me. One is it promotes weight loss, it helps clear up the skin for those suffering from acne, and it relieves menstrual pain. Amongst all other things, all that really matters right now, most importantly, is that it promotes hair growth. There are a lot of ways that you could use this seed, and it includes using it as a mask, as a tea, and turning it into oil. For the sake of today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to turn this into a drinkable tea. Of course, you will need your fenugreek seed. You also need a cup of water, right? Honey is also optional. You don't really have to use honey for those that don't like sugar or honey in their tea, but honey is optional. I'm going to start by turning on my gas and putting it on low. Then I will go ahead and pour the cup of water inside the pot. While I pour it in, I will also add my fenugreek seed. As you guys can see, the seed that I added was small. This is because I had the intention of just making a little cup of tea, just for the sake of the video. I go ahead and stir it, and then I'm going to let it boil on low for 8 minutes. Now, once my 8 minutes is up, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like now. I am draining the tea, and as you can see, the fenugreek seeds actually got a little bigger. I decided to go ahead and add more water to the tea because this tea, yes guys, do not smell good and also do not taste good. So I'm trying to dilute the taste just to make sure that it is not so bad. This is what the tea looks like after it was ready. I'm going to go ahead and add honey to this tea. I usually don't take my tea with honey or sugar, but again, this tea does not have a good taste, so this is why I'm adding some honey to it. And that's pretty much it. You go ahead and you stir it. You could decide to let it cool down for 2 to 4 minutes, and then you drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to try it on your own and let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye guys.